Hello everyone. Welcome to the Zoo Curiosities channel, where we bring you curiosities about animals from all over the world. In today's video, we'll talk about the surprising differences between male and female dogs. Did you know they have different preferences for humans and distinct behaviors? And that females tend to have better parental instincts and live longer? In addition, we'll explore interesting data about urine marking, dominant behaviors, humping, and much more. So stay tuned and discover everything you need to know about the differences between male and female dogs. And if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so we can continue bringing fascinating curiosities about animals. Studies on the differences between male and female dogs have been conducted by various specialists and researchers in areas such as animal psychology, animal behavior, and biology. Among the most well-known are ethologist John W. S. Bradshaw of the University of Bristol in the UK and biologist Clive Wynne of the University of Arizona in the United States. These studies have increasingly shown that, despite being of the same species, male and female dogs have significant differences in their behaviors and preferences. For example, a recent study published in the journal Scientific Reports showed that males have a stronger preference for female humans, while females do not show this preference. Another interesting study conducted by researchers at the University of Vienna in Austria showed that female dogs have better memory to remember human faces than males. These behavioral differences between male and female dogs have been increasingly explored by science, bringing new insights into the complexity of the relationship between humans and dogs. For example, it has been discovered that male dogs have a strong preference for interacting with women. They are more attracted to the female voice and prefer to play with women rather than men. In addition, male dogs are more likely to be dominant and mark their territory with urine. They are also more likely to bite and wander. On the other hand, female dogs tend to have a more peaceful nature and are more likely to be affectionate and caring. They have better parental instincts and are more likely to protect their litters. Interestingly, females are also more likely to be right-handed, meaning they use their right paw more frequently than their left. These behavioral differences between male and female dogs are fascinating and can help us better understand our furry friends. And now, let's discover some more interesting curiosities about our four-legged friends. Did you know they have different preferences for humans and distinct behaviors? Yes, it's surprising how male and female dogs have different preferences for humans and distinct behaviors. For example, males tend to have a strong preference for women and can be more dominant towards other dogs. Additionally, they are more likely to mark territory with urine, bite, and wander. Females, on the other hand, have a tendency to live longer, have better paternal instincts, and be more likely to use their right paw. These distinct behaviors are studied by animal behavior specialists, who use techniques such as direct observation, behavioral tests, and statistical analyses to understand the differences between male and female dogs. These studies are important because they help dog owners understand the needs and behaviors of their pets, as well as identify any problem behaviors that may arise. Understanding the differences between male and female dogs is also important for responsible dog breeding, as it helps breeders choose the best breeding pairs to produce healthy and balanced puppies. Furthermore, these studies can help promote a better understanding and respect for dogs, allowing people to have a more harmonious relationship with these wonderful animals. Did you know that females tend to have better paternal instincts and live longer? Yes, it's true. Studies show that females tend to be more caring and protective with their offspring, suggesting that they have better paternal instincts than males. This may be due to hormonal and biological differences between the sexes. Additionally, research indicates that females tend to live longer than males. One theory for this is that female hormones may play a protective role against diseases and other health conditions. But it's important to remember that this varies from breed to breed and from dog to dog, and that the health and longevity of a pet depend on many factors, including nutrition, exercise, and regular veterinary care. Humping and dogs in dogs. Humping is a sexual behavior that involves a dog mounting another dog or object, such as a pillow, to achieve sexual pleasure. This behavior can occur in both males and females and can be a way of expressing dominance or sexual excitement. Humping in dogs can occur in various situations, such as during play or social interaction with other dogs, or in response to sexual excitement, such as during a female's heat cycle. However, it's important to note that excessive or persistent humping can be a sign of behavioral or health problems in dogs, such as anxiety, boredom, or pain. Additionally, humping in dogs can be a source of concern for pet owners, especially if it occurs in public or social situations. It's important for owners to understand that humping behavior in dogs is normal and natural, but they should be able to control and redirect this behavior to ensure the safety and well-being of their pets and other dogs and people around. Let's talk about marking territory. As we mentioned before, males tend to have more dominant behavior, and this is reflected in their tendency to mark their territory with urine. Territory marking is a way for dogs to mark their space and indicate that that location is theirs. They do this by lifting their leg and releasing small amounts of urine in strategic places, such as trees, posts, and other vertical objects. This behavior is more common in unneutered male dogs, but can also be observed in females. Speaking now about dominant behaviors, male dogs have a greater tendency to be dominant towards other dogs and humans. They may demonstrate this through aggressive behaviors, such as growling and biting, as well as trying to establish a leadership position in their group. This tendency can be minimized through proper training and socialization, as well as through neutering. Here are some other quick curiosities about differences between male and female dogs. 1. Male dogs are more likely to fight with other dogs of the same sex, especially during mating season. 1. On the other hand, female dogs are generally more social and peaceful with other dogs. 2. Female dogs are able to detect hormonal changes in other animals, including humans and other dogs. 2. This means they can detect when a person is pregnant or when another dog is in heat. 3. Males are usually larger and heavier than females of their breed, although this varies depending on the breed. For example, the size difference between male and female Chihuahuas is very small, while the size difference between male and female Saint Bernards is very large. 1. Female dogs are more likely to lick and care for their puppies, while males may feel uncomfortable with the presence of the puppies and may even try to avoid them. 2. Male dogs are more likely to mount other dogs, humans, and inanimate objects than females. This behavior can be influenced by a variety of factors, including hormones, anxiety, and boredom. 1. Female dogs are more likely to suffer from separation anxiety than males. 1. This may be due to hormonal differences or simply because females are more emotionally attached to their owners. In summary, it is interesting to note that the differences in behavior between male and female dogs are influenced by biological and environmental factors. For example, the influence of sex hormones such as testosterone in males can lead to more aggressive and dominant behaviors, while the influence of female hormones such as estrogen in females can result in more maternal and caring behaviors. Additionally, socialization and the environment in which dogs grow up can affect their behavior. Dogs that grow up in a busy environment with many social interactions may be more sociable and friendly, regardless of gender. Understanding these biological and environmental factors can help dog owners understand and deal with the distinct behaviors of males and females and promote a healthy and balanced environment for their pets. And if you have any interesting or curious facts about your pets, leave them in the comments so we can talk more about it. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel to continue bringing informative and fun content about the animal world. Share this video with your friends who are also dog lovers, and don't forget to take good care of your furry friends. After all, they are our best friends and deserve all our love and affection. Thanks for watching and see you next time.